Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. This is our second session today, and in this session, we are now on the advanced topics in the networks and network software, and similarly internet. So the basis of internet is on network protocols. What are the network protocols? The network protocols are primarily the guidelines. जो समझे कि ये सॉफ्टवेयर और हार्डवेयर है जो क्या करता है, ये प्राइमरली एक नेटवर्क कंस्टिट्यूट करने के लिए हम स्टैंडर्ड के तौर पे यूज करते हैं. सो इट्स ए सेट ऑफ रूल्स on a particular layer of a network, and it allow us to for communication. For example, हम यहाँ देखें, so the OSI model layers. OSI is open system interconnection. Open system interconnection. So this is a reference model. It defines the number of layers. So we start from the application layer. एप्लीकेशन लेयर जो है, इसके ऊपर हमारे प्रोग्राम्स होते हैं, एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर होता है, एप्स होती हैं, जो भी हमें जो नजर आ रही होती है. लेकिन जब ये एप्स अपना डेटा भेजती हैं नेटवर्क के ऊपर, तो उस वक्त जो है डेटा को पहले बाइनरी में कन्वर्ट किया जाता है और उस बाइनरी रिप्रेजेंटेशन को अश्योर किया जाता है थ्रू द प्रेजेंटेशन लेयर. तो प्रेजेंट convert the message from the text format into a format which is binary. And in addition to conversion into the binary, ताकि वो सिस्टम उसको प्रोसेस कर सके, it also can decrypt data. Encryption, that means the security can also be used. Then there is a session establishment, यानी वो जो कनेक्शन हमने कहा था, there is a session management. The session is established, जिस तरह हम फोन कर दें. So session is established between two computers, जिनमें डेटा एक कंप्यूटर भेज रहा है और एक रिसीव कर रहा है. After that, there is a transport layer. So there are three mechanisms जो मैं दोबारा रिपीट कर देता हूँ. Application layer contains our applications. Presentation layer converts the data to a format from the English to binary format and back. ठीक है, अगर ये डेटा किसी और ने भेजा है और अगर खुद भेज रहे हैं तो. Then there is establishment of session from one node to another node. So this layer establish a connection through the network, and then is asked transport layer to begin the data transfer. Then the transport layer actually break that message into a number of packets for the flow control. जैसे गाड़ियाँ होती हैं, अगर बहुत सारे लोग हैं तो मल्टीपल गाड़ियों में जाएंगे, और अगर थोड़े लोग हैं तो एक ही गाड़ी में जा सकते हैं. It also provides reliability. Reliability means many paths between the networks. So अगर एक path पे प्रॉब्लम है तो फिर alternative path can be selected. So it break a larger segment into smaller segments and then send those segments on the network. Then there is the addressing. भेजना कहाँ है? It is managed through the network address. हम कहते हैं ना IP address. Similarly हम कहते हैं MAC address. So IP at layer 3, MAC is managed at layer 2. And there is a signal transmission on this physical layer. Okay, the signal आपने देखा उसमें जो था वो एनालॉग भी था और डिजिटल भी था. तो इसको थोड़ा सा रिपीट कर लेते हैं. We start, the network is primarily driven through, उसका ड्राइवर कौन है? नेटवर्क प्रोटोकॉल. That network protocol exists on each layer, and each layer has a different function. Okay. So application layer is the layer जो कि यूजर के साथ इंटरेक्ट करती है. It contains the data. जो हम देख रहे होते हैं, किसी ने हमें मैसेज भेजा, इस वक्त भी सेशन चल रहा है, ये जो हमें नजर आ रहा है, दिस इज डेटा. बट बिहाइंड द सीन इज द बाइनरी, and that conversion is done through the presentation layer, conversion into data into a different format. Then a session is established. After establishment of session, then the message is broken. Data is broken down into multiple segments, and that segments are then sent over the network to the next. And then the addressing is attached. Addressing is attached. The addressing, the hardware addressing, and then the bits or the signal is sent to transmission. This is the way how it functions. So it is very difficult to remember जब तक हमारे पास जो है वो ये मौजूद ना हो. So how we remember is all. A for application, people, T for presentation, scene, S for session, T for transport, need, N for network, data, for data link, processing, So all people seem to need data processing. Okay, you know, it is easy to remember. All, application, P, presentation, scene, session, to transport, need, network, data link, processing, physical. So this way how we remembered this 7 layers sometimes in the past. ये हम आपको भी बता दिया है. But there is no need to remember this. But it is only need to remember there are layers, and each layer has a functionality, and together these layers constitute what is called a network protocol stack, because each layer has different network protocols. So we have a network protocol stack. Okay, stack जिसमें एक चीजें एक दूसरे के ऊपर रखी हुई होती हैं. So this is how it works. So this is related with network protocols and the layers. And जो हमने अभी आपसे बताया है, it is written in the text form here. If we quickly can read it, the OSI model works as follows. A message is created through some application software layer at 7. So a message is created. The initial message is considered the data to be transmitted. Then layer 7 affects a header, attaches a header to the front of the message and map the message to layer 6. So say layer 7 send the message to layer 6. So this is layer 7. It has a message or data, and it send this message to the layer number 6 by having a header and the message. So it attaches a header to the message and then send to the layer number 6. At layer 6, an appropriate header is added to the message and layer 6 do the same. The message now consisting the original data and 2 headers, and it mapped into the layer 5, and then it sends to the layer 5, and it happens again and again until we get the layer 1 where the message is treated as individual bits. So this is presented in the form of a diagram in our next slide. So the data is attached with the layer 7 header. If we are considering this side, the sender, this side is the receiver. So the data is attached with the layer 7 header, then layer 6 header, which contains the layer 7 header and the data. Similarly, the next, and the next, and the next. So each header specifies some control information to the next layer so that the next layer can understand what type of service it has to provide to the upper layer. देखिए किसी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में मैनेजर होता है और मैनेजर के नीचे स्टाफ होता है, स्टाफ 1, स्टाफ 2, स्टाफ 3. तो एवरीथिंग मैनेजर वांट्स के स्टाफ 1 क्या करे, इट आस्क डू दैट थिंग, डू another thing, it has to do another thing, or then they report back, okay, we have completed it, we have completed it, we have completed it. So consider this is one layer, or this is another layer. So upper layer act as a manager, the lower layer act as a staff in the department. So manager then asks them, do this for me, do this for me, and then the next layer, okay, I received this information, I received this information. So it's like this. And there is also the internet addresses. The internet addresses are divided into number of classes. अगर चाहिए information आपके लिए important नहीं है, but anyhow, because